Hello everyone, this is Zia at Coffee Query. In this video I want to show you how to search data instantly from the database in Laravel and Vue.js. Let's start. I have already created my application, Laravel and Vue.js application. If you have problem in creating a Laravel application with Vue.js, please go to my previous video. I have pasted the link below, so that will help you with that. Well, first of all, I need to run the Laravel application, PHP artisan serve, and cmd php artisan npm run watch. This is for Vue.js. And let's open the application in VS Code. So yeah, this is my application included. My Laravel application included Vue.js. So if you go to the resources folder, we can see here is a we have a GS folder which contain all the Vue.js components. So let me check. My XAMPP server is running. So I'm starting from the front end, from the Vue.js part. So we have already a default component. I had written this code for file uploading, so I'm going to create another component, search component.view, and we will have a template. Inside the template I define my form, and inside the form I have an input, type is text, and vmodel is keyword. That's it. Below the template I will define a script tag, and here I will have a data property. I will define keyword, which is null now. Sorry for my mistake. I need to put in a like this, and I will have a result, which is an array, an empty array right now. So here below the input I should define an ordered list. Here I will have a for loop, list, and result. What is the error? We bind key. We need to bind a key. Key is the list.id. So here we'll have list dot suppose title. Okay. When we search something inside this input, the result will be showing here. So when the results show, I need to select one of the list, and the selected data should be added to this input. So I need a function here at click. I will call select and pass the list. Okay. So here I will have a method methods inside the method I will define my function search. My function will use, I need to import the Ajax. Okay, this Ajax is a package used to send requests to the API. We need to install it. It's not included in Vue.js by default. Import Ajax from Ajax. Okay, yeah. So yeah, before I write my method or my function, I need to watch when a user type or remove something from this input. I need to watch my keyword. Okay, watch. I will watch keyword after and before. Okay, and here I will call the method search. Okay, I will write Ajax dot get HTTP localhost 8000 API and search. Yeah. Here I should have something, some parameter. Params, and keyword is this dot keyword. Okay, and then I get a response. When I get the result, I should initialize the this dot result is equal to response. Response dot data. Okay, so if I get any error, I should catch that error right here, console dot log error. Yeah, I think I'm done with the front end with the Vue.js right now. So if I miss anything, I will come back. Let's go to our API. Okay. Now before I create controller or define my route, I need to create a migration. Okay, PHP artisan make model. I will create my model and migration with the same command model, and the model name will be a post dash migration. Yeah, migration is created. Let me check it. Database migrations and post migration. Here I will define two more fields, which is string title and text body. Okay, sorry, my computer is too slow. Let me check if the model is created. HTTP models and post models. Yeah, it's created. Until my command line is ready, I need to check the application in the browser. Okay, localhost. Yeah, this is my previous video. So at resources, GS components, I have search component. Example component is registered here, and I'm going to duplicate this and rename to search component, and this is also search component dot view. I will comment this out. Yeah, this component should be loaded inside an element which having the ID of app. So if I go to the view welcome.billet, here example component is loaded. So instead of example component, I will load search component. Okay, let me see what we have in the browser. So something is wrong, I think. Okay, result is not defined. It's misspelled. Result. Search component. Oh, it's loaded here, but I can't. It's not visible properly. So what I do, let me inspect, and here I will style it. Mean width is 200 pixel, and mean height is 30 pixel, and border is 1 pixel solid, and DDR 00. Okay, I need to copy that. You can here style input, yeah, this is our component. Our component is loaded here. Let me check my console is ready. So our migration was created. Post. So I need to create some, insert some data. So I will use Cedar PHP artisan make Cedar, and the Cedar name will be post Cedar. Yeah, post Cedar should be created. This is create. What's wrong? Maybe I have pasted something here. So yeah, here we have our procedure use post use app model and post. Okay, I will have a post is equal to an array, and here I will define some dummy data. Title is my first title, and body is my first body. So I'm going to duplicate this. So first, second, third. This is also third, fourth, fourth, fifth, seven, and eight, and nine, 10. I think it's enough. I'm going to remove the rest of extra data. So what I have missed here is yeah, our array is created, we need to insert this into the database. So what I use, post insert, and what's the name of our array is post. So here, yeah, we call this dot call, and what's our what's the seer name is post seeder class. I hope this works. PHP, let me clear. PHP rt syn db seed. Oh, got error. Database seeder call to undefined function, database seeder call. Sorry for my JavaScript experience. Sorry, this is in my seeder. I have missed. It's not model, it's models. Okay. Oh, sorry for my mistake. Let me check my database connection. Laravel view. If I go to the admin, it seems that I don't have the database here. Let me create this database. Laravel view. Now if I run PHP artisan migrate, okay, PHP artisan db seed. Oh god, unknown column title in the field list. What's wrong? Oh god. PHP artisan migrate and migrate refresh. Okay, and I run dbseed. Let me check the database I have, if I have the data into the post. Yeah, all our data is inserted successfully. So now we need to create a controller. PHP artisan make controller, and the controller name is post controller. Yeah, if you go to the app http controllers, post controller is created here. Now we should define our route here. So I'm going to command this out, and I define a route. Get the URL is search, and controller is inside the app http controllers and post controller. App http controllers and post controller, and we call the will have a function search. Okay, now if I go to the controller, let me define my function. Public function, here is a request return hi from the API search. I haven't given a name for my function. So if I type something, I should get response. I got an error. Search target class app http controllers request hi, another error. and define function app controllers response. Yeah, if I have here, I should console dot log response. That's the data. If I check it now, yeah, I got the response message is hi from API. So, but in the controller, what I do, I have a parameter coming from the front end. So if I define a variable keyword is equal to request, the parameter name is keyword. So I assign here, and I will have a result is equal to, yeah, result is equal to use app and models and post. Here I will have a post where title is like what, like where title is like keyword. Okay, and then we'll pagine it F5 or 3 rows, and then return the result. Okay, yeah, I think it's done now. And if I go to the front end and check, first two error response, I got a response, and this response is containing the data. The title is my first title. Okay, let me lock the response dot data. What I get now? If I type if, I get 3 row 0 my first title, in the second row 4th, and the third row is 5th title. Okay, yeah, this error is because I type error cannot read property ID of null. Okay, here I should assign data.data, and yeah, I shouldn't get the error now. If, yeah, error gone, and it's not showing here because it's tile. I don't know why I'm making so mistake in spelling. If yeah, I got the result. It's first, second, first, fourth, and fifth. If I type A, I get nothing. If I type B and D, yeah, I got my second tile style again, my third tile. Okay, so now what I need to do is when I click to one of this title, let me style it a little bit. Background is DD or FF, and padding is 5 pixel. Okay, and hover is, sorry, cursor is pointer. Okay, if I give some margin to this UI, margin top is minus 10 pixel. And if I give some box shadow, 1 pixel, 1 pixel, and 1 pixel, 1 pixel. Yeah, it's fine for me, but you can style for yourself as you like. Let me paste it here. Okay, now if I type F, I got the result. And I need to inline list style type is none. This is not lang is SCSS. Okay, yeah, it's good, but when I hover, the background should change a little. Li hover, background is DD. Yeah, it's okay now. So when I click to my first title, select is not a function, so let me check. Select, Control C, search, and here I will define the select method. And this is the data coming from here. I click the data, I should assign that to the what is a keyword is equal to data dot title. Okay, now let me check if click, it's done. So when I click to this, when I select when I select this one, but our list is still showing, I need to hide it. So when it's selected, then I need to define a property here, toggle is false. Okay, what I'm going to do here, if toggle, when the toggle is Control C, Control V, when the toggle is true, then that should be showing. What I do here, when the result is assigned to the when data coming from the API, when it's successful, when the data coming from the API, when we before we assign that, what we do, we true our toggle is true. So once we select the data, we need to make it false. Okay, if that good, strong. Oh, it's searching again. And D, you know what's the problem? If I have something, if I have the toggle is equal to false, so toggle, okay, when the toggle here should be true. Okay, when we got the result from the API, toggle should be true, and the data, we assign the data into the result. You know what's the problem here? When we select data, what we do, we make this dot toggle is equal to false. If I click here, it's showing my first tile again here. If I click again, it become invisible. It means when we search something, toggle is become true, and when I click to this, another search request go to the server. Okay, what we gonna do, we prevent the last request. When we select this one, data, when we select this data, the last request shouldn't go to the server. So we will prevent that by defining another variable is selected. If it is if it's true, then we do not send the request. If this dot is selected is true, if it's false, we will send a request. Okay, let me check now. If, okay, select, yeah, it is nice working. Oh, it's not working. When I remove something, it's not going to search again. It's working for the first time, but when I select, is selected is true. If I remove this, because that is selected is true, then it's not going to send a request. So I leave it for you guys, and you can research on this and how to solve this. You should find that. You may integrate the keyboard event when we press backspace or delete. We should call an event and make the selected back to false to work this application. Okay, yeah, I'm not going to do that because this video already long enough. Yeah, thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please subscribe to this channel, and I'll make more videos for you guys. Thank you. Bye.